Business videos are more than just marketing tools. They connect, engage, and leave lasting impressions. In today's competitive online landscape, standing out requires more than just words on a page. Videos capture attention faster than text. Motion and sound work magic, making complex ideas simple. Platforms like YouTube and Instagram prioritize video content because they cater to short attention spans. Trust is crucial in business. Videos humanize your brand, showcasing authenticity. Client testimonials and product demos create honesty, build loyalty, and attract new customers. Appearance shouldn't stop you from creating videos. Confidence and creativity matter more. Whether camera shy or having a bad hair day, options like animation and AI-generated videos suit your comfort level. AI-powered tools transform text into professional videos without personal appearances. Tools like Pictory create engaging visuals and lifelike voiceovers, making video creation accessible even for the non-tech savvy. Focus on a clear message. Keep videos short to maintain viewer interest. Include a direct call to action, guiding viewers on the next steps. These elements ensure your video resonates. Embrace video marketing. Authenticity and purpose matter more than perfection. Create impactful videos that represent your business and connect with your audience. Read the full blog post at newhorizons123.com.